So, so how to solve any DSA problem? So if you want to solve any DSA problem, you need to first understand what the problem is. So when you understand what the problem is, you can then move forward to solve the problem. So let's say if the problem is from the linked list. So let's say the question is merge two sorted linked list to get a final linked list which is also sorted. Okay, so how you will solve this question? So let's take the example from this course. So let's say you want to solve this problem, merge to sorted linked list. So you will first see what the problem is. So you you will first understand what the problem is. So and after understanding, you solve the question by yourself on any code editor, on a code editor, and solve it for 30 minutes. If you can't solve at after the 30-40 minutes, you can then proceed to the solutions and you can see the solution. But don't see solution before practicing it minimum 30 minutes minimum. So after that you can check the solution and move forward to the next question.